Hi everyone, welcome back. If stubborn blackheads, persistent acne, or congested textured skin sounds familiar, you're exactly where you need to be. Because today, we're not doing a basic routine. We're doing a true deep cleansing facial experience designed to reset, purify, and rebalance your skin. And yes, we're talking science, technique, and results. Dendron the real problem before touching any product. Let's understand what's actually happening on your skin. Blackheads aren't dirt, and acne isn't just bad skin. Every pore on your face is a tiny opening connected to a follicle and a sebaceous gland. That gland produces oil, also known as sebum. Now here's where things get interesting. Blackheads, or open comedones, form when dead skin cells, excess sebum, become trapped inside the pore. Because the pore stays open, oxygen interacts with the buildup, oxidation happens, and that's what turns it dark. Not dirt, just chemistry. Acne, however, is far more complex. It involves oil production, bacteria, inflammation, hormones, even stress, which explains why breakouts feel so unpredictable. But here's the key takeaway. These are not surface-level issues. They're often signs of barrier imbalance, chronic irritation, internal inflammation, meaning aggressive treatments alone rarely work. Skin needs balance, not punishment. The deep cleansing facial, alright? Let's begin the facial. Think of this as a full skin reset. Step 1. Double cleanse first, oil-based cleanser. Because oil dissolves oil, it melts away. Sunscreen, makeup, excess sebum without stripping your skin. Massage slowly, no rushing. Let the cleanser do the work. Add water. Watch it emulsify. Rinse gently. Second cleanse, water-based. This removes remaining residue and deeply cleanses the skin itself, 60 seconds. Gentle, deliberate movements. This step creates the perfect canvas. Step 2, steaming, damming now, the spa moment. Warm steam, softening congestion inside the pores, helping loosen debris, improving extraction ease. Relax, breathe, let your skin soften. Step 3, gently extrusions. Important reminder, never force, ever. Using a sanitized extractor, apply light pressure. If it resists, leave it. Skin responds best to patience, not aggression. Step 4, targeted exfoliation. This is where transformation begins. Chemical exfoliants, not harsh scrubs. Work on surface texture. Penetrate deeper into pores. Especially powerful for blackheads, acne-prone skin. Thin layer. Follow timing instructions. Consistency beats intensity. Always. RANs. Step 5, multimasking and scresk. Because skin isn't uniform. Oily zones need purification. Sensitive zones need calming. Clay and charcoal, T-zone. Hydrating and soothing. Hydrating and soothing. Cheeks. Balanced treatment. Smart skincare. Post-facial recovery. Facial doesn't end here. Now we restore. Hydrating toner or essence. Replenish moisture. Rebalance pH. Targeted serum. Niacinamide, oil regulation and barrier support. Azelaic acid, nerve redness and acne calming. Pat gently, no dragging. Moisturizer. Always, even for oily skin. Hydration prevents rebound oil production. Barrier health equals breakout prevention. Op-channel provisional boost for enhanced results. High-frequency therapy, LED light therapy. Blue light, non-teria targeting red light. Healing support. Used correctly, these tools elevate at-home facials. Maintenance minset results come from habits, not miracles. Cleanse nightly. Change pillowcases. Protect barrier, avoid pooking. Harsh scrubs. DIY skin damage tricks. Holistic skin health. Clear skin isn't products. It's lifestyle. Hydration. Nutrition. Stress management. Skin reflects internal balance. Full fights more satisfying ending. And here's the difference. Skin feels clean, smooth, balanced, refreshed, congestion reduced, texture softened, glow restored. Step 2, steaming cinematic tone. Now, the most relaxing step of the entire facial. Steam. Warm. Gentle, controlled heat. This isn't just about feeling luxurious. Steam helps soften hardened sebum, loosen debris trapped inside pores, and prepare your skin for safe extractions. As the warmth touches your skin, you can almost feel congestion beginning to release. Breathe slowly. Let your skin relax. Let your pores soften naturally. Step 3. Gentle exterics. And now, precision over pressure. Using a sanitized comedone extractor, apply light, even pressure around visible blackheads. No forcing, no aggressive squeezing, because here's the truth most people ignore. If a blackhead doesn't come out easily, it's simply not ready. Forcing extractions damages skin, triggers inflammation, and often leads to even more breakouts. Patience is skin care, not strength. Step 4. Targeted exfoliation. With congestion loosened, we move to refinement. Chemical exfoliation, a far safer and more effective alternative to harsh physical scrubs. AHAs work on the surface, improving texture and dullness. BHAs go deeper, dissolving oil buildup inside pores, which makes them especially powerful for blackheads, acne-prone skin, clogged pores. Apply a thin, even layer. And let science handle what scrubbing never could. Consistency always outperforms intensity. Remember that. Post-cyst fascial recovery. Once masks are removed, your skin enters its most important phase, recovery. Rehydration. Barrier support. Begin with a hydrating toner or essence. Restore moisture levels. Rebalance skin comfort. Prepare for treatment layers. Next, targeted serum. Niacinamide for oil regulation and barrier stability. Azelaic acid for calming redness and breakouts. Press gently into skin. Never drag, never rush. And finally, moisturizer. Yes, even for oily skin. Because dehydration triggers more oil production. Barrier support prevents irritation cycles. Hydration is not optional. It is foundational. Thank you for watching.